MSI is celebrating their 40th anniversary and they're doing it in style with their Draco editions of almost everything in their top of the line kit dragged out. I mean, it's the keyboard, it's the MEG Vision X, it's the water cooler with a new screen, it's the mouse, it's the Wi-Fi router, it's the power supply, even the graphics card. When you put all of this in the Maestro 900R, that's when it looks drop dead gorgeous. This is doing it for me. Look at the little details. It's all in the SUPRIM, it's all in the Dragon glowing in blue, it's all in the RAM in blue, even the fans. It's a little bit embarrassing though because this one's not turned on. Somebody call a technician, please. Even this, nice and silver. While everybody is going gold, MSI is like, nah. Gold is not the metal of the year. It's way too expensive, you know what I mean? This is the MEG Z890 Ace Draco Epic. They kitted it out with all of the new style designs. What we're getting is still 4 DDR5 slots, up to 256 gigabytes of memory. Storage-wise, we have 5 M.2 slots. Yeah, that's 5 of them. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 10 gigabits Ethernet controller. Moving on to the MEG CORELIQUID E15 360 Draco Epic. What's new about this is the screen. It curves now. That's really nice. It also has all of the accents as all of the other designs with the 40th anniversary, all of the textures, and yes, you can actually feel that. The blue is coming through really nicely. This is a nice one. Now at first the 5080 Supreme was a little bit underwhelming. I thought, come on guys, you can do better. And then I had a look at what's happening at the back. Yeah, that is sick, my dude. And the texture is actually like it's tangible. That's so nice. On the front, it looks okay, nothing too special, little bit something on the corners, a little bit of gold edging. Still the Supreme. I mean, this is a 5080, 16 gigabytes. Draco Epic, not too shabby. The laptop though, this beast over here, the Titan 18HX. This is also a Dragon Edition Draco Epic. Again, you can actually feel the texture on this. That's so cool. It has the new Ultra 9 processor, 290HX Plus. Comes with Windows Pro, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, and it is a mini LED, 240 Hz, 100% DCI-P3, VESA display HDR, 1000 certified IPS level panel. Zoning into the touchpad and where your wrists will be hanging out. That's a cool little design. It's like interstellar vibes.
Is this the trackpad?
This is the trackpad. It's a bit funny with the colors protruding onto it. Kind of like it though. It's interesting. These are Cherry Mechanical Perky RGB gaming keys. That's a nice touch. That's something special on a laptop. 270 watts total system power and 4 SSD slots. Now when I said they kitted out everything, even their power supply, the MEG AI 1600T, this thing is also kitted out. It's not very special, but you get the details. It's the blue is there and the Dragon is there. And my two favorite things in this collection. One, the Maestro 500 wireless Draco Epic. That is insanely good looking. I love the gray accents. I love the design on the sides. It's elegant, it's sleek, yet it's still funky and stylish. The blue is also really doing it for me, to be quite honest. It has 90 hours of battery life, more or less. It has active noise cancellation. That's really decent. Now, something that's pretty special is the fact that this little flip-up microphone right here, it automatically activates when it's opened and automatically disengages when it's closed. So if you don't want anybody to hear what you are doing or saying, you just close it. Full confidence, no, mic switched off. And why you break it? It wasn't Anne. It could never be Anne. She's fantastic. Now, while they're busy trying to fix that, let's move on to my actual favorite thing at the booth, and it's this beautiful Strike 700 wireless 8K HE Dragon Epic. This thing is so sturdy. Like, that's solid. What's really special about it? 8000 Hz polling rate, 2.4 GHz wireless mode. It's perfect for gaming. It has a hot swappable magnetic switch system, a really cool design language, like you can see the whole 40th year anniversary. No numbering, you must know where your keys are. It has a nice little RGB light here at the bottom, which is kind of cool. It's a 65% compact layout keyboard, and I like that because I don't need a numpad. I don't know, maybe you do. Now, I think honestly collectibles are really cool, but you have to have the full system. You have to go all in or you don't do it at all. And even the Wi-Fi router, the RadiX BE9400 Draco Epic, is also kitted out with the 40th year anniversary details. It's Wi-Fi 7. It's 320 megahertz channels. It's 9.4 gigabits per second for 4K and 8K streaming amazingness. The last really cool thing on the list is the MEG Vision X AI, but this time it's the Draco Epic edition. Has a little bit of the detailing on the side. The coolest part is actually hidden here at the back. Let me do this for you. That. I like that design. It has the screen, as always. You're getting the Ultra 9 processor, the 285K with the NPU inside. Well, that's really needed because there's AI built into this whole system. It comes with up to an RTX 5090, which is amazing, and the Project Zero motherboard inside, and if screens are your thing, it has a massive one of those. That's nice. Covering all the tech at Computex is insane. Congratulations, MSI, with your 40th anniversary. This is incredible. I love it. See you guys in the next one. This was Stefan from Computex, out.